What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all having a great day. My name is Nick and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I kind of want to just talk about my plans for this channel and just kind of moving forward, I guess. So this channel will be based around Shopify, e-commerce, drop shipping, just online businesses in general. And I currently have 2 Shopify stores. One of them is doing around $1,500 to $2,000 per day, and that one's actually not drop shipped technically. It's handmade products, self-manufactured products. And I know and talked about in my very first video, I think I talked about it, how I don't actually drop ship, which I have had a lot of people message me and say you don't drop ship, but you help people drop ship. You know what I mean? I just want to clear it up. It's the exact same thing. It's the only thing different about that is the way the products are made, right? For drop shipping, you have a Chinese manufacturer ship out the products, or whatever, or maybe you have U.S. suppliers, but the only thing different about this is I make my own products. The marketing's the same, the store setup is the same, selling the actual product and making money is the exact same. The only difference is how the products are made and shipped. But just not prove people wrong, but you know what I mean? I did make a dropshipping store where I source products from AliExpress, put them on a Shopify store, and I actually got that store up to about $3,000 per day. And I will show proof. So yeah, I'm gonna pull up that store. This will load. Okay, so this is the dropshipping store. It's at about 1,300. So this is the dropshipping store. It's at about $1,300 today. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then yesterday we hit 3,000, like 3,040 bucks. I know it's gonna be hard to see, but if you guys want, I can send a screenshot or whatever. You know what I mean? There's always people that will question your numbers or whatever, but I nothing. Every single thing I post on my Instagram, on my YouTube, is 1,000% true, 1,000% my results. So I have nothing to hide. If you want any proof whatsoever, please message me on Instagram, and I'd be happy to clear anything up. And that kind of brings me on a topic, because I do offer a course and a mentorship type program, and I've just been seeing a lot of stuff recently that I don't reply to people and that kind of stuff, and I really want to clear that up, because I do put a lot of time, a lot of effort into that program, I guess. So just to clear up, the people that I have seen kind of complaining about that, and keep in mind, there's about 500 to 600 people in that, in the course, in the mentorship program, which is phenomenal. I never expected that. That's literally just from people coming to my Instagram page, which it's great. I haven't even started YouTube, and it's super cool, because my main reason for starting all this was just simply to help people, and that will never ever change. My whole intentions for YouTube, for Instagram, is to help people. It's not to make money, which is why the prices for my services are incredibly cheap. You will never find a price that cheap. And I'm not doing that because I don't believe that I'm worth more. I just know that when I first started, I had no money. I did not have money to invest in help. And I just wanted to create something that a lot of people can afford. And that's just what I'm doing. So let's get back to the other thing that I was talking about. I've seen people that say I don't reply, and I can't stress this enough that I can't help someone through text. So I have been getting just a lot of people just texting me nonstop, texting my number, texting my Instagram. I know I haven't. There's a lot of things I have to change, and it's a business, so there's things I have to evolve on, and things that will change, things that will improve, and I'm working every day to get better at that. So people that are saying I don't reply, you just have to keep in mind that I'm getting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of messages every single day from people that have bought the course, haven't bought the course, and I do my very best, and I can't teach through text, so it's a mess. So I have closed the course, and there's no one No one is allowed to, I'm not letting anyone else sign up, and I'm just focusing 100% of my time on the people that are in there at the moment. And like, just for reference, like I'm on calls with people that with people on the course. I'm on calls from around anywhere from 8 to 9 a.m. Till about 6 to 7 p.m. every single day, Monday through Sunday, every single day. And the thing is, like, the people I've paid, it's a one-time payment, so I mean, the value that the people that are in the course have gotten is incredible. And I still manage to get people that complain, and just it blows my mind, and it kills me, man. Like, I just put so much time, so much effort into this program. Like, I mean, literally, I have no time to actually focus on my stores. I know I can scale my store to 5 figures a day very easily, but I'm just putting all of my time, all of my effort into people that have signed up with the course, because that's my passion. I love doing that. I do love helping people, and that won't change, like I've said before. But yeah, this is not what the video was going to be about. I really wanted to get that off my chest, because I have been seeing people posting that. I don't reply, I don't help people, and that is as far from the truth as it could ever be. Yeah, that's if you want, I can explain more about, like, kind of everything that I've seen, everything that's going on. And it hasn't been much. It's maybe 3 people that have just been, God, just so damn annoying. And it's literally 3 people. And you're gonna get that when you do volume, even with, like, my e-commerce business, like my dropshipping businesses. You have customers that just complain, and that's the nature of owning a business, running a business. So there's not much I can do about it. And just, I guess I can just apologize to the people, and I will always offer my help to anyone and everyone, no matter what. Anyone and everyone. I would love to help you. And yeah, so let's leave it at that. I don't want to talk any more about that. If you just see something, or if you're skeptical about something, please message me. I'd love to talk to you. And yeah, let's leave it at that. Maybe I'll make another video talking about that kind of stuff, but probably not. I just kind of want to get that off my chest, and just know that I'm here to help. I'm here to help 1000%. That's been my intentions from the very, very beginning. Yeah. So let's get back into, like, what the channel is. So it's gonna be dropshipping, Shopify, Facebook ads, online businesses, anything you want. But for this video, I want you to comment down below, and just in a comment, make a message about what you just. In the comments, comment down what you want me to make a video on, and I'll make a list on every single video idea that you guys want to learn about, and I'll make a video on it. So my schedule for this channel is going to be every other day to post a video, and then the days in between that I don't post a video, I will be live streaming. So it'll be like a live Q&A, just come hang out, get to know each other, you know what I mean? It's gonna be really fun. So it'll be, yeah, like a live Q&A every other day on this channel. So definitely subscribe, like the video. Subscribing would be great, because you can keep up with the content. You'll be notified when I go live. I'll definitely post on Instagram when I do go live. And I'm sure everyone from Instagram will be watching this video, but my Instagram is nickb_business if you wanted to check that out. We have close to 11,500 followers, which is sweet. It's so cool. It's awesome. You guys are all the best. I love helping you guys. But yeah, it's super cool. So it's like my goal for the Shopify store, for the dropshipping store, is to get 100,000 in sales next month. That's the goal. For the other store that I have, that's kind of just staying around the same, because I can't scale that too much, because again, that's all hands-on stuff. And I can't just click a button and fulfill the order. It's actually handmade. I do have people working for me, but I'm still involved. But yeah, so I have a lot going on. Majority of my time is on calls with people that have signed up for the course, which again, I love doing. It's awesome. I love helping people. I learn just by helping, which is really cool, because I'm just like, me talking about it so much. It's cool. It's really awesome. So yeah, so maybe if I can get more people on board to take calls and to help people that are in the course, I'll open it back up to allow more people to sign up. But at the moment, that is not happening anytime soon. And maybe my goal is to get maybe more people within a month to do that. But yeah, that may be it for this video, unless I can think of anything else that I'll put another clip. I just kind of wanted to get on here, talk about what was going on, what I've been seeing, and just kind of start this YouTube channel. So I do want this channel to just be pure content, pure value. Anything and everything you guys want to see, I will provide. I mean, I do know this business very well. I mean, I can literally repeat the process over and over again. So anything you guys want to know, please comment down below, and I'd love to make a video on it. I'd love to help you out. And definitely stay tuned for live stream, because I think that's going to be cool. I've never seen people do very frequent live streams, like every other day a live stream, and then I'll probably be about maybe 30 minutes to an hour long every single time. But yeah, I think that's going to end it for this one. Please comment down below anything you guys want to see in the future, and definitely subscribe for more. Take it easy, guys. You guys are all the best.